Hi, once again this is Ed from Exotic Blanks. Today we're going to do a quick video of a click pen. The reason being, I've been asked many times, what kind of click pen do I recommend? And my answer has always been I don't recommend one because typically they don't work very well. If you drop them, they are pretty much shot. So I thought since I got this particular one, which is the LeRoi Click pen, when Smitty's operation merged with Exotic Blanks, I got a number of different kits to try, and this particular one has worked out quite well. So we're going to do a drop test on it, and I'm going to let you make your own conclusions as to whether it's good or bad. I think it is the best one I've ever seen. So that's the purpose of the video. Hope you enjoy it.